Welcome back. I am Pratap here. Today is 26th June 2024. In this video, let us generate demand and supply zone reports for different categories. Before generation of these reports, an announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel, you click on this community tab, you get access to this post. And this post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to the training lessons. Just click on the link. Now we enter into the playlist supply demand zone price action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here starting from lesson 1.1. All the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important updates, we will provide at the Telegram channel. Now let's get into the report generation. In the first report, we will generate stocks near demand and supply zones, and also we will identify daily and 75 minutes high liquidity zones, then NIFTY and BANKNIFTY supply demand zone chain, and then bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade, weekly income trade and daily income trade, and finally we will generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. So first let us find the stocks near demand zone starting from half yearly time frame. Let us find the stocks near half yearly demand zone. One stock is filtered which is near to the half yearly demand zone. So I am going back. For half yearly time frame, let me find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. One stock is filtered. I am giving you only few seconds time to watch the reports. You need to pause the video. In case if you are not aware of how to read this report, I request you complete our training lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. There I explained this report, each and every column, their values, abbreviations in detail. I have also explained how to draw the zone by taking the timestamp from leg in, leg out columns and also base candle count. Okay, now I am going back and changing the time frame to quarterly time frame. Let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. So one stock is filtered near quarterly demand zone, but it is a Pierce demand zone. Okay, I am going back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. 7 stocks are filtered. So next time frame I am changing to monthly. Let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. 4 stocks are filtered. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. 6 stocks are filtered. Next time frame, weekly. Let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. 4 stocks are filtered. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. 3 stocks are filtered. Next time frame, I am changing the time frame to daily. Entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. 5 stocks are filtered. Let us check any high liquidity demand zones from this list. No, we don't have any high liquidity demand zones from this list. I mean high liquidity daily demand zones. Okay, I am going back. For daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. 3 stocks are filtered and there are no daily high liquidity supply zone. That means from daily time frame we don't have any high liquidity zones from this report. So I am going back, changing the time frame to 125 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. 9 stocks are filtered. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. 3 stocks are filtered. Changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. 6 stocks are filtered. Let us identify any high liquidity demand zones. JSW Steel is there. So we have only one high liquidity daily demand zone from this list. So I'm going back for 75 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes supply zone. 4 stocks are filtered. Let us check any high liquidity supply zones. No, we don't have any high liquidity supply zones from this list. That means we identified only one high liquidity zone from today's report, that is JSW Steel. But that is having both demand zone as well as supply zone, high liquidity demand and supply zone. Okay, fine. Now let us generate the next report, changing the time frame to 25 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. 9 stocks are filtered. Next report, 25 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. 7 stocks are filtered. Next report, changing the time frame to 15 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. 11 stocks are filtered. So I am going back for 15 minutes time frame. Let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. 5 stocks are filtered. So let me go back and changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 5 minutes demand zone. 7 stocks are filtered. And 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. 11 stocks are filtered. So these are the stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. Now let us generate a NIFTY supply demand zone chain. And let us start from weekly time frame. I am generating the supply demand zone chain for weekly time frame. So this is the supply demand zone chain. Look into the zone column for finding high liquidity zones. And also look into the pierced column to find pierced zones, and they are not tradable zones. And also look into the LTF trend to check the trend of the zone. Same pattern you can apply for all the time frames. Okay, this is a weekly zone. Next I will generate a daily time frame. I am generating the supply demand zone chain for daily time frame. These are the daily zones. Okay, now I am going back and changing the time frame to 125 minutes, generating the chain for 125 minutes time frame. Okay, I am going back and changing the time frame to 75 minutes time frame, and I am generating 75 minutes chain. And today one 75 minutes zone is created, leg out candle today at 10:30. Okay, I am going back, changing the time frame to 25 minutes, generating the 25 minutes chain. So we have two 25 minute zones are created today. But both are not high liquidity zones. So I am going back, changing the time frame to 15 minutes. So only one 15-minute zone is created today, a normal demand zone, but having one rejection. I am going back and changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Let me generate the 5 minutes supply demand zone chain. 5 minutes supply zone is created today during the last hour of the market, and already high liquidity zone is created today, tested 3 times. The 2 more zones are created. normal 5 minute zones. Okay, this is about Nifty supply demand zone chain. Now we will generate for Bank Nifty starting from monthly time frame. So Bank Nifty monthly supply demand zone chain I am generating. Okay, next time frame, weekly time frame, I am generating the supply demand zone chain. And next time frame, daily time frame. Yesterday a daily demand zone was created, yesterday. Okay, I am going back. Next time frame I am changing to 125 minutes, generating 125 minutes supply demand zone chain. So I am going back and changing the time frame to 75 minutes and I am generating 75 minutes supply demand zone chain for Bank Nifty. And 175 minute zone is created today, daily demand zone, and already tested this zone. I am going back, changing the time frame to 25 minutes and generating Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain. Only one zone is created today, 25 minutes for 25 minutes time frame, and already tested 2 times. So I am going back, changing the time frame to 15 minutes, generating supply demand zone chain for 15 minutes time frame. No 15 minute zones are created, maybe created or might be violated during the live market. But at the end of the day, we don't have any newly created zones on today. Okay, I am going back and changing the time frame to the last time frame 5 minutes, generating 5 minutes supply demand zone chain for Bank Nifty. And 2 supply zones are created today, Bank Nifty, and 1 demand zone is also created, but all the 3 are normal zones, not high liquidity. Yesterday we have a high liquidity zone, but it is not yet tested. Okay, these are the Nifty and Bank Nifty supply demand zone chain. Next report we will generate bullish and bearish trade setups. First we will start with bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. Entry time frame is daily. Bullish trade setup entry zone is demand zone, and also in bullish or bearish trade setup daily time frame I am selecting the value bullish. 3 filters I am going to set. First filter, zone should not be pierced. That means pierced count on daily time frame should be 0. So minimum value 0, maximum value 0 indicates pierced count should be 0. Then only the stocks will be, demand zones will be filtered. Next, zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone, and minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. With these 3 filters, let us generate the stocks. 9 stocks are filtered which are supporting bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. Okay, now we will generate bearish trade setup for monthly income trade, entry time frame daily, but bearish trade setup entry zone supply zone, and also in bullish or bearish trade setup daily time frame, changing the value to bearish, and all the 3 filters are, now this time they are applied to the supply zone. Now we have generated 2 stocks. 2 stocks are filtered and which are supporting bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. Next we will generate bullish and bearish trade setups for weekly income trade. Weekly income trade entry time frame is 75 minutes. Bullish trade setup entry zone is demand zone, and in bullish or bearish trade setup 75 minutes time frame I am selecting the value bullish, and the pierced count should be set to 0 for 75 minutes time frame. So in 75 minute time frame minimum value 0, maximum value 0, and zone achievement is VOZ, minimum odd enhancer score is 12. With these filters we generated 13 stocks are currently supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. So entry time frame 75, but entry zone is supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, 75 minutes time frame, I am changing the value to bearish. And all the 3 filters are applied. Now only one stock is filtered, which is currently supporting bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. Now we will generate bullish and bearish trade setups for daily income trade. Daily income trade entry time frame is 15 minutes. Bullish trade setup entry zone is demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, we are setting the value bullish. And the 3 filters we need to set. First filter, P host count on 15 minutes time frame should be 0. So in 15 minutes, minimum value 0, maximum value 0, and the zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. With these filters, I am generating the report. Now 10 stocks are filtered, which are supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. Now let us generate a bearish trade setup for daily income trade. So entry time frame 15 minutes, but bearish trade setup entry zone is a supply zone, and also in bullish or bearish trade setup 15 minutes time frame, changing the value to bearish. And the 3 filters are applied. And 5 stocks are currently supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade. Now in the final report, let us generate stop buffers. Stop buffers based on daily ATR. So first 17 in this list are indices, sectoral indices, remaining all are equity stocks, but they are filtered from F&O category. So I am scrolling the list down. Each time I will be giving you only few seconds. Any of the stock you want to refer, there you please pause the video. I am scrolling the list down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.